A bulldozer is a heavy construction machine with a large blade on the front designed to move and level the ground. It has a large capacity and can be used for a variety of tasks including demolition and destruction of structures, land leveling, and road paving. An excavator is a machine with an extendable boom and bucket on the end designed to dig and move materials. Excavators can be used for excavation, digging pits, pipe laying, and other tasks that require precise and efficient digging. An asphalt paver is a specialized machine used to lay asphalt pavement on road surfaces. It has a system for feeding and distributing asphalt, as well as adjustable paving widths. Asphalt pavers play an important role in road construction and resurfacing. A dump truck is a truck with a body that can be raised and lowered to unload cargo. It is used to transport various materials such as soil, rocks, sand, or construction waste. Dump trucks usually have a large payload capacity and can operate in construction sites and A concrete mixer is a device designed to mix the components of a concrete mix, such as cement, sand, water, and crushed stone. Concrete mixers are also equipped with wheels or suspension, which makes them easy to move around the construction site. Soil compaction. The primary function of a road roller is to compact soil on construction sites, roads, and other surfaces. The roller uses its weight and vibration to compact the ground and create a firm base. Road rollers are also used to compact asphalt pavement on roadways. They help compress the asphalt, improving its strength and durability. Rollers are used to create a flat and smooth surface. They can level bumps and remove potholes, making the road more comfortable and safer to drive on.